Hey everyone, my name is Matt Gonzalez. I'm the Senior PM here at GitLab for the Compliance Group, and I'm excited today to talk to you a little bit about our plan for 13.3. Most of the work we'll be focused on is internal improvements, improving things like the project deletion experience for users, and also continuing the audit events refactor work that'll help us build more audit event related features in a more performant way and faster, hopefully, with less technical complexity. But there's a couple of features I'm excited to talk to you about in particular, and those are around personal access token credential management. As part of a larger effort to improve the experience of credential management for both administrators and owners and their users, there's a few changes that we need to make. One of those is making sure that admins have an ability to revoke a user's personal access token. Where a policy exists that users are required to rotate these credentials, it's helpful if admins have the ability to be able to enforce that in some way without making it a default disruptive experience at GitLab. Another requirement to that is ensuring that you are able to list the personal access token credentials for your users. So being able to list them and then optionally revoke them is a capability that we'll be adding in this milestone. We're also looking at adding an additional notification job for the expiration of personal access tokens so that currently a user will be informed 7 days prior to the expiration, but then after that it's sort of out into the ether. There's no real indication that something is wrong, prompting the user to then take action. So we'll be adding an additional notification here that should help communicate to users when they're out of compliance with a particular policy and hopefully avoid the need for admins to intervene with a more forceful action. We'll also be doing another iteration on the compliance dashboard to add source and target branch data to provide a more holistic view of each merge request per project. This should help fill out and close the loop on some of the key highlights that you have shared with us as important to your day-to-day decision making and allow you to comb through all of that in a singular place on the compliance dashboard and negating the need to dig into each individual project. And lastly, the one I'm most excited about is one of our first iterations on a chain of custody report. We'll be starting with a list of all of the commits for a particular date range. And from here, we'll extend that out to include other data such as related merge requests, pipeline IDs, maybe job statuses and IDs. But the idea here is to get a baseline or a foundation started and build upon that. This should help surface a highly demanded request or feature that we've been asked for a while now that enables our customers to more easily generate reports for their auditors, internal or external, and just provide much better visibility into each release. So I hope you're as excited as I am to see some of these features manifest. And as always, please feel free to comment on this video or get in touch on any of these issues to comment and participate in the direction of these features and others like it. And we also have a special interest group where you're welcome to join if you'd like to participate further. Thanks so much for listening.